1971 Chevelle. LS1 vintage air conditioning, brand new staggered wheels, great paint, full exhaust system, 12-volt possy with sway bar, 6-speed stick shift tranny, real clean. Nice chrome trim all the way around it. California car its whole life. Clean all the way down through there. Full exhaust system. New gas tank. Great all-around car here. Do a full walk around for you guys. And pop that hood. As you can see, the fuel injected LS1. The air conditioner that blows ice cold. Computer system mounted nice to the dash. Power brakes. Let's give you guys a shot of the inside now. All the trim. It's really clean. Door handles, brand new. Brand new interior. Brand new door panels. New seats. New carpet. Nice SS gauges. A little extra oil pressure and voltage gauge down there, but to match. And the 6-speed tranny. Nice headliner. Just a full works on it. Let me fire it up for you guys.
%30 savings on all those great styles, even on the designers that rarely go on sale. They give you all the big names. They're 30% off. I'm so excited.
Well, that's it, everybody.
Amazing.
Give me a call at 916-856-7931. Thanks.